Albireo's investment strategy is to build a nationwide platform that can deliver a high level of energy services to enterprise customers. So the way we get there is to focus on local businesses, starting with regional companies that have very tight customer relationships, unique skills in some cases, but they don't have the ability to broaden those capabilities outside of the geography. But our strategy is one that uses those investments in the various regions as a foundation to then ultimately build that platform that can go from Southern California to New York to Florida to Texas and serve those enterprise customers with consistent service across all of those regions. One of the main areas that we get involved in is completing acquisitions and working to support acquisitions with the company. So in addition to our active role on the board and helping to guide strategy, given that Albireo has been very acquisitive over the last 2 years, we are almost like an outsourced business development group. We are spending several times a day on the phone, working hand in hand with the team, focusing on different acquisition opportunities, and then once those acquisitions are closed, helping to do the integration as well. We're equally focused on growing Albireo, not just from a geographical perspective, that's important, but also growing the service lines and the capabilities that we have. Those will ultimately help us serve the enterprise customers more effectively as the platform grows. So we see a number of opportunities in terms of geographies such as Texas and Chicago, Northern California, Mid-Atlantic. Those are areas that have a lot of population. They have big swings in energy usage, and they have a lot of regulation in addition to high energy costs. Related, but the separate dimension is building out the service capabilities. The service capabilities will include things like fault detection and diagnostics, demand response, remote monitoring. These are all things that essentially will be layered on top of that nationwide network that we're looking to build through investment and will help us serve larger customers that we can't necessarily serve today. In the last 2 years, we've made 5 acquisitions, and we believe that we can maintain or exceed the pace. And that's something that's very exciting. We're at a point now where we have developed a sort of notoriety in the industry where sellers are actually approaching us. They want to be part of Albireo. So that's something that is exciting, and we think we can move at an even faster pace than we've had historically.